Where we are today, baby?
Moat Pond. Fire risk, and there's a really beautiful the pod here. You can go and...
It's 1st of February and now we have some sun in the country.
Exactly.
Sun is coming. Look at the dogs. How cute.
Let's go and get on this and see what happens. We're gonna... Wow, this pond is amazing.
How
It's
cute.
very cool for a drone shot. What do you think, Blues?
Yeah,
Shall we
baby,
do a
take
drone
a drone shot.
Exactly.
So cute.
We're gonna do...
It's so sunny, it's so warm.
Exactly what we do. We're gonna do a drone shot here, and then we'll come back to you.
Show you around.
Show you around. See how it is. It's a little bit muddy.
Yeah.
I can.
New Balance wasn't the best choice for it, to be honest. I should have taken my boots.
Yeah. I think it will get dry when we get...
It will get better.
Yeah.
We come with very white sneakers. It's not exactly what you're looking for this, but
Yeah.
look how cute it is.
You have to put it in a washing machine again. Look at the mud, guys. So I want to show you the good stuff, but also you have to be careful because it's muddy.
There's a lot of people walking their dogs over here. So cute.
Yeah.
New
Careful, baby.
trees.
You have to go to the left.
See. Thank you, baby.
It looks very interesting because of this ponds.
Yeah.
But we don't know if it's going to go inside or not.
How far is from London, baby?
It's around 1 hour and 30 minutes or drive.
Driving?
I
Yeah.
think so, yes. We're gonna get muddy, no choice, but we have to clean it when we get back. anyway.
Exactly. Having good if we did have an spare shoes.
Yeah.
But it's okay. There's always the choice of walking by the
Yeah,
this
isn't that
part.
nice? I think we have to go this way now. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. There must be a little bridge here when I saw the map.
On the bridge. So cute.
Okay, this is the bridge.
Oh, this is very nice, this bridge. You can walk over the rivers and over the paths.
Yeah.
And it's so sunny. It's so nice, it's so long. And
So
you
let's
can
see
go-
where this is gonna lead us. It's nice on its own way, you know.
Yeah.
You guys should try it definitely. And comment below if you have been here before. And subscribe for more videos like this.
Look at how big are those paths.
Yes. Ponds.
There is so many little paths that you can enjoy and see little nature around them.
This is middle of February, right? Not in the beginning of February.
Yeah, beginning of February.
So it's not summer yet.
Look at how cute. Hey, a little bit here so you can enjoy the sun and this place. Look at that. Oh, look, the path goes around, so we can go around the paths.
All right.
So we can see all the lake. How cute, how nice.
These little branch over here are very interesting. Take a look. I found one of the similar to this in Isle of Wight. It was very nice when I actually started walking. Look at this guy, like, it is kind of nice.
It is cute. And you have the forest behind, so you can enjoy amazing views of the forest.
Exactly.
It's really cute. Really good.
I think we can do another drone shot here.
We should, yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Let's do for a drone shot, guys, you think?
Yeah, we have a little bit more space.
And then that way or this way?
Both, because we have good space.
Yes, we have space here, guys. So we're gonna do a little drone shot. Bear with us.
Go for it.
Party and bullshit and
This is where we took the drone.
How cute.
It's super nice.
Nice to enjoy some sun and to enjoy some nature around us. How cute.
Let's walk a little bit more and see where we're going to end up.
And look, the lake is like both sides, so we are
Yeah,
over the
lake
water
is
now.
actually super nice.
Wow.
Look at this, guys. It's clear.
It is, you can see behind, you can see everything.
These guys. Look at the lake.
There is a lot of plants. I can't see fish or animals,
Yeah.
but I can see the plants. There is some trees too.
It's amazing how color reflects
Yeah.
reflection. It just makes it like super clear. We ended up going left. And you want to see where this is going. When we come back, guys, we're going to continue straight, which is that one. And then we go all the way back to the parking.
A lot of water, isn't it?
A lot of water.
You see?
That's why you can't really walk here. That's why you
Yeah.
have this.
Exactly. Because probably you will be like drowning all the time.
Exactly. So hopefully we don't find any swamp here, guys. Otherwise, it's going to be our last video.
It's a place of dragonflies.
What is he saying?
It's a place where we can find dragonflies, but dragonflies are
What are they?
they reproduce around spring, so probably it's still too cold for them, but they might start to come soon.
This is where the helicopter idea come from, right? This is the one.
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah. So there is a difference. This is nice because there is plenty difference between dragonflies and damselflies, which are different
Species, yeah.
within the genders, different species. And these ones actually can bite you and they are dangerous, while these ones are not. These ones
Oh,
are
I see.
kind of sweet. Yeah.
Well, it looks like there must be a lot of these species here.
Should be somewhere.
But I don't hear them. Do they have any sounds or anything? Like
No,
noise?
I haven't heard them.
Yeah, let's continue. and see.
Let's continue.
I can't see anything because the sun is in front of my face, blocking my view. It might go actually to parking.
I think it seems that depending on the area that is flooded, you need to walk over this.
Yeah, don't look how it looks because I can't see shit from here. So we are in early February.
Or if you touch them, they hit you. It's like,
Oh, dangerous. Yeah. So here's the story continuation. The Dragonfly Trail is this way.
oh,
and
heat
then
trail.
the Hill Trail is this way. So we're gonna go this way because it looks a little bit better.
Yeah,
The sand is a little white,
it's white, yeah.
and maybe next time we try. Yeah, but this leads to woods, I would say.
Yeah, look how cute
The
The
seats, yeah. Dragon trails.
with the shape of the dragonfly.
Okay, so we came all the way here.
Look at how amazing views. Really, really nice place. In the middle of the forest, you have a good combination between lakes or pot and forest. Really nice walk. And it's so sunny. It's not super cold.
Exactly.
How many degrees could be?
This is probably 9 to 12.
Yeah.
Something between there.
Just look at the. It seems that it's like sand of the beach, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, we're only missing the sea, but it's very, very nice.
Yeah, we're gonna go up there and discover some stuff and see how it is. We have 1 hour before the sunset, so
We need to rush.
it's getting tougher to walk, actually.
Yeah. Probably here is slightly easier because it's harder.
Okay.
I'm on the top of the wall. Hey! Come to the top of the wall. Like. It's nice.
I'm glad we ate before coming here. It's a lot of walking, and walking is the best exercise for you. If you hate running, you don't have to run. You just have to go long walk.
I mean, it came in like almost on way perfect.
Okay. We're still walking, going back to the parking. Yeah, we're in the woods, guys. Going back to parking.
Okay, guys, so we're going to finish the adventure today. We can see that the sun is getting down and it's starting to get cold. So we're going to get back to our parking, probably get some tea and some hot chocolate. Enjoy the video and lights up and follow us and give us some tips and some advice of places that you would like to us to visit and make some videos and get some drones. See you soon, guys.
See you guys, thank you. We ended up here. We had to walk near the street. Be careful. And let this car pass. There's a little nice cottage over there. Can you see?